Obviously, ready up.
Yes, teacher. I am Bhavyashi. I am 8 years old. I am in class 3. I am a girl.
I am a
Girl.
Very good. Next. Srisan, ready?
Yes, teacher. I am a Srisan.
I am a Srisan.
I am Srisan. I am 8 years old.
Old.
Old. I am